G'day, my name is Matt. I've just come out here with Ray Mancini and his crew for a shoot, and I've got to say it was absolutely brilliant. I managed to do this today. I've been on shoots before and I've been really nervous. Things happened that I just didn't like, but I've got to tell you, with Ray it was really safe. I felt perfectly comfortable and the instruction was brilliant. That hasn't always happened, but this particular guy, with the way he runs his show here, you get excellent instruction and it's really safe. And if you're really good, you can get a shoot like that as well.
Yeah, we've come down to the range quite a few times. You're always safe when you're here. Ray makes everything absolutely safe. That's the main thing, and it's just a wonderful experience. Yeah, I think Ray's done a marvellous job. His instructions are very clear, and yeah, it's absolutely really enjoyed it. It's been great, and we're going to keep coming down and firing a few rounds off.
Ray's awesome. It's probably the best coach I've ever had. Ray is so qualified. He's done so many things. That's huge experience. And you probably, if you watch the video of his training sessions, are just amazing. The way he coaches you, the way he can relate to pretty much everybody is really good.